So guys, this I only have this phone. I only have a back camera, so I have an iPad. So when that gets charged, I'm going to use that so I can use the front camera. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you my butterflies. If you guys can hardly see it, then I'll do it on my iPad too. Hold on, just 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Can you guys see the floor? Yes. You guys are hardly gonna see it, but this is a blue raspberry one. I just call it blue raspberry. It does not have the scent, but yeah, I just call it blue raspberry. So I'm just gonna roll it into a ball. It is butter slime, by the way. I put shea butter in it. It's a nice slime. I'm gonna butter it again from up here. I'm gonna go straight down. Now, that one I made yesterday, but then I made it into butter slime today. Hold up. So this one is a USA flag one, but it basically got mixed up. So this is a USA flag one, but it got mixed up, so it's a purple. This is horrible lighting, but yeah. I gotta spread it because it's butter slime. There.
Let me ask you something.
Okay, next one. This is the one that I made today. Yes, today. It's super sticky. It's like real actual butter slime. My fingers always in the way. This is horrible, like lighting. But this one's butter slime because it's yellow. I'll re-show you guys again. Hold up. It wasn't even a good, like, it's sticky, that's why, look. So I can hardly roll it into a ball, because look. I roll it, it goes back down. So I'm going to roll it again, like that. And I'm going to go down from here, going all the way down, nice and smoothly. I promise I will make it better today or tomorrow. I promise. Okay, bye. Let me just use this as the thumbnail.